following these trucks loaded with either the dust from crushed lava, or some of them might have stone artefacts that they'll sell made from lava stone. But it's a very, very slow trip, and oh no.
Oh, this is ridiculous. We will run out of petrol if we're going to follow these guys all the way there.
Well, you won't use much petrol at this speed. But this is how they've chopped the road up, by travelling doing all this. The guy on the motorbike had a bit of strife there. Supposed to be whitewater rafting around here somewhere, but I don't think anyone's really interested.